Okay, so welcome back everyone. So hari ni kita buat kelas Maths, okay? So I rasa Maths lebih susah lah daripada Maths semua anggap sekarang. So tak apa, saya akan buktikan tak begitu susah pun. It's all practice only. Okay, so let's see which is the PDF. Okay, this one. We already did these two questions, right? Kita dah cuba dua soalan senang untuk last week Maths. Kita buat yang ni dengan yang ni. Kita dah habis bincang. If you all remember this, can you tell? Semua masih ingat ke kita dah bincang soalan ini? Do you all still remember we discussed this question already? Just to refresh your mind only. Because I don't want your minds to get like stuck suddenly when go to difficult question. All okay, huh? I think respond mean all okay already lah. Good. Okay, let's start. Not easy this question. Saya nak ingat dulu. Bukan senang sekarang soalan-soalan dia. Okay. So come, let's go. Okay. So this is Melaka. Kita buat soalan trial Melaka 2022. Okay. So lihat soalan dulu. Okay. So in a golf practice, dia buat latihan golf. Hanif hits the golf from point A and drops into the base at point B. So kamu boleh lihat dia macam bentuk kuadratik kan? Okay, saya nak tanya, kalau bentuk dia macam ni, A value lebih besar dari kosong atau lebih kecil dari kosong? Is A more than 0 or A less than 0 for quadratic? If the shape is crying, bentuk masam.
Less.
Yeah, betul. Very good. Wah, bagus ada orang guna mic. Okay, very good. A less than 0. Okay, so just a refresh for you all. Okay, so next, let's see the question slowly. Okay, ini ialah function. Function dah nyatakan sebenarnya A is -1, so less than 0. Okay, so represents the height. And the height of roof of the hall is 50 meter. So saya nak tanya, 50 meter ini where does it represent? Kan mana mewakili 50 meter tu? Can you tell from where to where? $50 tu dari mana ke mana? C code. Bukan, ini jarak mengufuk tau. Vertical distance 50 meter, not horizontal. Kita tak kira melintang lagi. We count vertical distance. So ini height, height is vertical, not horizontal. Very good, Kenneth. I like to hear the word max point, correct. So this is 50 meter, means this is the max point. Ini 50 meter. This is your 50 meter over here, okay? So everyone, so take note, this is your 50 meter, okay? So now we go and read the question. Okay, famous question. Express hx in the form of this. Okay, can I ask everyone, this form what do we call? Apa kita panggil bentuk ungkapan macam ni? Kalau lihat dalam bab kuadratik, what is the name? Very good, Kenneth. Very good, Aife. Vertex form, bentuk vertex. Okay, very good, Andy. Okay, so sekarang, kamu ada persamaan ini kan? Wait, delete this. You have this equation. Now mereka nak kamu express dalam bentuk ni. Maksudnya kamu kena pergi dari sini ke sini. Okay. So kaedah apa kita guna sekarang? What method will we use to do this conversion? Kaedah apa kita guna dalam matematik tambahan? To go from general form to vertex form. Nak pergi dari bentuk ke bentuk vertex. Apa kaedah kita? Very good, Aife. Penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Or in English, completing the square, CTS. In BM is PKD, penyempurnaan kuasa 2. Got two terms for this, okay? So yeah, this is the method we use. Okay, so if I ask, what is the most important thing in this method? Can anyone tell? Apa benda paling penting bila kita buat penyempurnaan kuasa 2 ini? What is the most important step? Langkah mana yang paling penting kat method ni? I rasa akan ambil masa untuk type ni sebab agak complicated. You don't need to write the whole thing. Yang key point saja saya nak lihat. Don't know, it's okay. Kalau tak tahu, boleh cakap tak tahu. Okay, so the important thing here is plus B over 2 square tolak B over 2 square. Do you all recall this? Boleh ingat balik tak? Bila kita buat penyempurnaan kuasa 2, kita buat kaedah ini. So this is what I wanted to hear. Maybe saya tak tanya dengan betul. That's why you all don't know. Okay, so sorry also. Never mind. So this is the thing you need to know for this question lah. So let's see the solution together. Okay. Okay, tak apa. We give chance. Boleh tak siapa-siapa pergi ke jawapan akhir? Can anyone tell me the final answer for this? Sebab equation ni bukan begitu kompleks pun. Tak ada nilai C pun. If you have the answer, you can share. Because I want to give chance for you all to work live the question on the spot. Jangan risau. Kalau dapat jawapan salah pun tak apa. Asalkan kita belajar sama-sama. Belum buat. It's okay. You can do now. Semua cuba live sekarang. Let's see. Keda already put the answer there. Let me check for you. Very small mistake. I rasa kamu buat step pertama salah. Langkah pertama kamu salah. Ada tertinggal simbol negatif. Nilai semua betul. Tapi negatif tu kamu tinggal. Very close already. Sangat dekat. I'll show. Okay. People ask already. Never mind. I'll show. Okay. So, ini equation dia kan. Hx is equal to negative x square plus 10x. Okay. So, step ni I rasa Keda yang miss out. I think she missed out this. She or he, I tak tahu lah. Okay. Missed out this step. Okay. So, pertama, kamu kena ambil keluar. Faktorkan simbol negatif tu. You have to factorize the negative sign. Baru boleh buat bracket x square tolak 10x. Can you all understand this step? What I do here? You factorize the negative out. Sebab bila kita buat penyempurnaan kuasa 2 kat dalam kurungan ini tak boleh ada negatif untuk nilai A. There should not be negative values for A when you do this method. So first step can understand or not? We go slowly. Don't understand. Which part? Part yang mana tak faham? Kamu tak faham mengapa kita keluarkan negatif ke? You don't understand why we take out the negative. Okay. Never mind, Jason. As long you join, it's okay. Oh my God. Okay, so mengapa kita keluarkan negatif sebenarnya? Recall formula balik. Tambah B over 2 square tolak B over 2 square. Okay, so pertamanya kamu, wait, Izzati dah. Negative x square plus slightly wrong. Sedikit saja salah kat plus 5. Plus 5 tu salah. Yang lain betul dah. Sangat dekat. I rasa kamu typo pun sikit. Okay, never mind. Saya tunjuk. Okay, so yang soalan tu tadi kan, wait Okay, so ini negatif x kuasa 2 tambah 10x kan. Satu kaedah alternatif kamu boleh buat kat sini adalah kamu negatifkan seluruh persamaan ini. So, kamu boleh dapat x kuasa 2 tolak 10x. So, kamu tak akan confuse bila buat step ni, kamu kena keluarkan negatif atau tak. Sebab A dah kat sini dah positif 1 dah. So, kamu tak perlu risau simbol negatif tu. You don't have to beware of the negative sign. Because they already make it positive at the A equals 1. So, itu cadangan alternatif bagi kamu. Tapi bagi saya ambil keluar terus tu lah simbol negatif tu. So, can understand now? For those that ask, ini fakta dia. Bila kamu nak buat bentuk vertex, tak ada kaedah lain. This is the fact. Macam mana nak solve. Sebab ini kaedah, kena ada langkah-langkah tertentu, telah ditentukan. Bukan konsep. So, until here, okay? Yeah, only negative out. Yeah, ingat yang tu. Okay? So, kita pergi next step pula. Okay. Okay. Second step. Kat sini, tambah B over 2 square, tolak B over 2 square. Macam saya kata tadi lah, itu langkah dia. So, okay. So, nilai B kamu apa kat sini? Boleh bagi tahu tak? What is the value of your B here? Very good, Andy. Yeah, very good, everyone. Negative 10. This is your B value. So, plus B, kamu kena include simbol negatif. Tahu, jangan bubur 10 per 2 square. Kena include negative sign kat dua-dua tempat. Kalau tak, jawapan kamu mungkin lari sikit. Okay? So, ya, macam tu. Ini step yang ketiga. Boleh faham sampai sini? Step yang ketiga? Okay, boleh ya. Okay, good. So, next. Step yang keempat. Okay, kat sini. Macam mana saya dapat kat sini ialah, X, negatif 10 per 2 dapat negatif 5 kan? So, saya ambil X, tolak 5 kuasa 2. Ini cara saya dapat kat sini. Boleh faham tak? Kalau kamu kembangkan yang ni balik, kamu boleh dapat kat atas. Maksud dia sama. Tak berubah pun equation dia. The equation does not change its value. Saya faktorkan saja dari 3 ungkapan jadi 1 ungkapan kat sini. Boleh faham? From 3 terms, I explain again. Okay, wait. Okay, so this one you will get negative 5, right? Here, negative 5 square. Okay, so something like this lah. Okay, so then here, X, tolak 5. Then you kuasa 2 the whole thing. So I can show you over here. If you do this, right, X tolak 5 kuasa 2. Kalau kamu kembangkan, kamu akan dapat X kuasa 2 tolak 10X plus 25. Sama kan dengan yang atas ni? Sama nilai saja. Sebab kat sini negatif 5 kuasa 2, kamu juga dapat positif 25. So semua term sama. Semua ungkapan kat sini sama. That's why saya tulis macam ni. Untuk dapat bentuk. Ingat, kamu kena beri jawapan dalam bentuk ni, tahu. That's why saya buat langkah tu. Kena bagi X tambah 3, X tambah P kuasa 2. So, boleh faham yang tu? Can understand everyone? Not yet. Which part? Which part you blur? Yang lain macam mana, faham tak? Faham, okay. So, bukan semua lah. Okay. So, Andy, can you tell me which... Oh, okay. The part where it changed to X minus 5 square. Oh, this one lah. Okay, wait. Let me think how to tell this to you. Okay, come. X kuasa 2 tolak 10X tambah negatif 5 square. From this step to this step, can you understand how I get it? Dari step yang bawah ke atas, okay, boleh. Okay. So, dari sini, I just take X tolak 5 kuasa 2. This is how I do it. You take the negative sign also. Cause tambah tolak. So, kamu kena tulis tolak kat dalam ni. You have to write minus at the inside. Because plus minus, your result is minus. If you don't understand, you can cuba kembangkan balik yang ni. Ya, correct. Kalau kamu kembangkan, kamu dapat balik yang atas. Maksud betul. Ya, like what Izzati say, faktor, betul. Kalau kamu kembangkan balik, kamu akan dapat jawapan sama. Maksud dia yang ni betul lah. This is correct. So can understand now, Andy? I see just the between of it out. Yeah, correct. Take yang paling awal yang ni, tolak dengan yang paling akhir. 10x ni don't care. No need to care about the 10x. Care about the front and the back only. Hanya ambil tahu yang depan dan belakang. Kalau dia bagi nombor lain, ya boleh. Mengapa tak boleh? Semua boleh dapat macam ni. Nombor tu tak kisah. Kaedah tu yang sama. Nombor mereka boleh selalu berubah. Tapi kaedah masih sama. So, semua boleh? We can proceed now to the next step. Good, Adi. Okay, come, let's continue. Okay, never mind lah, don't want to up. Okay, so from this step now, we already got the answer Adi now here. Okay, so this one kamu boleh kira dalam calculator, tahu? Negative, be careful here. So, jangan tulis tolak 25 tahu kat jawapan akhir. It's like this. Negative bracket negative 5 square. So you akan dapat, you will get negative 25. That's why I write negative 25 here. So this one, can you understand? You can press in your calculator. So but make sure buat kurungan kat sini. Okay, good. So from here, saya pergi ke sini macam mana? Saya expand. I expand back the negative inside the equation. So you will get something like this. Negative x minus 5 square plus 25. Tolak, darab tolak, jadi tambah. Minus minus plus. So, can understand everyone? This is your first answer. Done already. Soalan pertama habis. Part A. Okay, good. Very good. So, selalu you will notice that kalau kamu buat banyak soalan trial, kamu akan tahu kaedah penyempurnaan kuasa 2 banyak ditanya. Completing the square method is one of the favorite in quadratic chapter especially. So yeah, ini method yang wajib tahu. Saya boleh kata wajib. Bukan patut tahu, wajib. Okay? So ingat kaedah-kaedah ini. Okay, bagus. Semua faham. Okay, let's go. Next question. Next question ni satu markah saja sebenarnya. Mereka nak test kamu. Okay, so I'll test you now. Based on this expression kat sini. X tambah P. Nilai P ini mewakili apa? What does P value represent here? X. Apa tentang X? Not B ya, Andy. Ini bentuk vertex, bukan B. Bukan C. Coordinate X. Very good. Boleh kata pemalas lah, bukan salah. It's a constant also, not wrong. Coordinate X bagi paksi simetri. Maksud kalau ada curve macam ni, kat sini paksi simetri kan, this is the axis of symmetry. Let's say X equals 1. Maksud dia, 1 tambah P, kamu akan sama dengan kosong. So, P kamu jadi negatif 1. So, ini fungsi X tambah P. This is the function of X plus P. To find the constant value that boleh bagi equation bagi axis of symmetry kamu, X equals 1. So, can you understand? So, kamu gantikan saja persamaan paksi simetri X equals 1 dalam X ni. Baru kamu boleh cari nilai P. Jangan ambil nilai P terus dari satu ni, tahu. Bukan sama. You have to substitute X into X. That's how it works. X to X. Baru cari P. Macam tu lah. So, sampai sini boleh? Rasa saya tanya banyak ni. Saya takut dengan kamu semua sebab banyak tanya bab ni. That's why I'm worried. Okay, never mind. So now Q. Nilai Q ini, see people ask repeat tadi. Okay, never mind. Soalan akan bagi koordinat X. Kalau mereka nak cari nilai P ini, mereka pasti harus bagi X. Kalau tak, kamu tak boleh cari. You cannot find. Mereka harus bagi persamaan paksi simetri. Equation of axis of symmetry they must give. Then only you can find it. Okay, so Jason, you wanted to repeat, I think this X plus P thing, okay. So, let me give an example. Okay. Actually, just now example is good already. Tadi example dia bagus. Okay, let's say the equation or axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Can you imagine this, Jason? Boleh macam mana imagine? Boleh faham tak yang ni? Okay, let's say x equals 3. Okay, so saya tanya, kalau x equals to 3, kalau macam ni, can you tell me, this one not so good. Okay, graph like this. Don't look at here, x equals 3. Jangan tengok yang ni. Can you tell me what is the roots? Left and right. Boleh bagi tahu punca tak? Bagi persamaan kalau kuadratik macam ni. Kalau saya beri info kat kamu, if I give you the info x equals 3, can you tell me the roots here? What are the roots? Left and right. How can be 3? Not this equation. No, this one kat sini. Got 2 separate roots. And in the middle is 3. Not the first example. 2 and 4. Okay, accepted? Yes, accepted. 1, 5 also accepted. Bagus. Negative 3, 3. Bukan. Negative 3, 3 axis of symmetry kosong tau. Because it'll be at the middle. Macam mana saya nak lukis ni? 1, 5. 1, 5 juga boleh. Yes, like Aife. Boleh. Kalau negative 3, 3, dia akan macam ni. Negative 3, 3. Tengok kat tengah-tengah kosong. Persamaan paksi simetri will be on the y-axis. Kalau nilai dia sama, axis of symmetry will be on the y-axis. Yeah, left and right are sama jarak. That's why it's symmetry. Symmetry maksud sama jarak. That's how you learn lah this chapter. Okay. So clear already, Jason? Now you know. Yeah, welcome. Okay, so wait. Okay, now nilai Q. What does nilai Q represent? Apa diwakili oleh nilai Q? Dalam bentuk vertex. Coordinate y. Very good, Aife. Coordinate y. Coordinate y of the maximum point. Maksudnya titik maksimum tu koordinat y dia diwakili oleh Q. Okay, so sekarang saya tanya. State the maximum height achieved by the ball in meters. Yeah, post. And also sorry untuk yang maths student yang saya join hari baru kan. For maths class on Wednesday, I never post yet also. I will post one shot. Dua saya post. Sebab tak ada masa kan. Yesterday SPM result semua kecoh. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this one. Now they ask state the maximum height. Ketinggian maksimum. Andy make correction, okay. So kamu boleh ambil jawapan terus dari A. You can take the answer directly from A. This is your answer. 25 meters. So kamu boleh tulis macam ni. Y coordinate Y bagi titik maximum equals Q equals 25. Okay, so therefore kamu boleh conclude ketinggian maksimum tu adalah 25. So sampai B boleh faham tak? C ni challenging. Question C agak susah. Sebab kamu kena imagine. Sampai sini okay tak? Kamu dah dapat 4 markah dah dari sini. 4 marks. Yeah, part A very long. Part A panjang tapi part B pendek saja. 1 markah. Sebab answer dia berpandukan kepada atas. Okay, so we see C. We see C. Oh my god. Okay, so sekarang Hanif, situasi dia. Once the golf ball to drop into the third hole, point D. Okay, so saya zoom out dulu, baru boleh lihat diagram. Wah, tinggi sangat. Okay, so sekarang first situation, ball tu drop kat point B. Soalan ada nyatakan, ball tu jatuh pada titik B. Sekarang dia pergi lebih jauh. Maksud, bola tu kena ada di udara untuk lebih jauh. See the answer scheme lah, Jason. Simple. Yeah, actually I never talk about it yet. I'll tell later for the whole question. Thanks for reminding actually. Okay, so ball drop at point D, okay? So now, maksud bentuk graf dia lebih panjang macam ni. Okay, so I want to ask you question. Persamaan paksi simetri adakah ia sama untuk equation ni dengan equation yang baru? Adakah the equation of axis of symmetry is the same? Is it still the same? No. Very good. Betul. Means you faham. If different quadratic function, persamaan paksi simetri juga akan berubah mengikut dia. Okay? So very good. So you understand the first part already. So now we see the question again. Okay, so the path of ball will pass through point E. Bola tu melalui titik E. Macam kamu boleh nampak kat sini. Ini curve yang kita fokus sekarang. Tak bagus lah. Hey yo, never mind. Okay, so boleh lihat kat sini. Okay, so the path of ball pass through point E, which is 4 meters to the right. 4 meter ke kanan dari titik A. Okay, so kita lihat titik A kat mana dulu. Okay, 4 meters ke kanan dari titik A. So, kamu boleh nampak kat sini. 4 meters mungkin kat sini lah. Saya congak sikit. Kat sini, 4 meter. Okay. So, boleh faham sampai sini? 4 meter macam tu. Agak-agak dari titik A. Kita pergi slow-slow. So, sampai sini faham tak? Boleh. Vortex say no. Which part you don't understand? I have to clear this up. Which part you don't understand, Andy? Oh, it's okay. Never mind, I repeat. Okay, so now the situation is Hanif want to throw the ball. Dia nak baling bola into the third hole, point D. So, ada 3 lubang kat sini, B, C, D. So, he wants to throw the furthest hole. I think I explained to you in English better because you know English also. So, he wants to throw to the third hole. Okay? So, I up this off. So, this is the hole he wants to throw now. Okay? So, now we see the question again. Okay, which is 4 meter to the right of point A, 32 meter vertically above the ground. Okay, means indirectly. Mereka kata 4 meter ke kanan, 32 meter ke atas. Can you tell me what is the coordinate now here? Can anyone tell me? Apa koordinat tu sekarang? Kalau 4 meter ke kanan dan 32 meter ke ketinggian dia. Coordinate. Saya nak dalam bentuk koordinat. Coordinate form. What is the coordinate? Very good, Keda. 432. Bukan 32, 4. You confused. 4 meter to the right. Ini paksi X. 32 meter atas. Ini paksi Y. Koordinat selalu dalam bentuk XY. Jadi, 432. 432. So, the coordinate on top here is 432. So, boleh faham tak? Macam mana dapat koordinat ni? Yes, very good, Jason. XY. Okay, good. So, sampai sini kita dah interpret dah. Okay, sekarang kita baca soalan last. Kat sini. Determine whether the ball hit by Hanif can reach the roof of the hall. Sekarang mereka nak tahu, bolehkah bola yang dilontar oleh Hanif tu mencapai ketinggian dewan, bumbung dewan tu atau tak? And give your reason. So, macam mana kita nak buktikan ini? Do you have any idea or not? How to prove this? Based on what concept? Konsep apa? Soalan kebat ni tahu. Sekebat question. What concept we can use here? If you don't have idea, you can say also. I can show to you. Just nak bagi kamu semua fikir. I don't know. HDP. Yes, I see the point. Keda said it. Maximum height. Very good. Correct. Because we want to see whether it can reach the roof of the hall. You must know now, hall ini ketinggian apa? 50 meter. So, kalau lebih besar dari 50 meter, maksud dah sampailah ketinggian bumbung rumah tu. Kalau kurang 50 meter, maksud belum sampai lagi. Can you understand this? The value jawapan akhir tu, kamu kena compare sama ada lebih besar atau lebih kecil. Soalan dah bagi ke atas. The question already give you. Okay, so now we see how to solve this. Part C. Okay. So distance AD 12 meter. Kamu boleh lihat kat sini. 12 meter kat diagram. Sana saya padam untuk kamu. Banyak conteng. Okay, so boleh faham. AD 12 meter. Kamu boleh kira kat sini. You can count. 10 plus 1 plus 1 is 12 meter. Okay. So we go down again. Okay, coordinate E. 432. Sebenarnya 432 ni kat E. Kalau kamu sedar. There is a coordinate over here. Mereka bagi tahu 4 unit ke kanan, 32 to up, right? So actually that is coordinate E, 432. So sekarang boleh faham tak? 432 itu kat E. That's why they put coordinate E kat dalam diagram so that you can label it. Okay? So make sure you label semua coordinate dalam diagram baru lebih senang untuk faham. So we see down here. Okay, so now kamu kena cari. Sebab kita cari axis of symmetry is because we want to know the maximum point, right? Sebab kat axis persamaan paksi simetri baru kamu boleh lihat titik maksimum tu menyentuhkan mana, kan? Okay, so x equals 12 over 2. Mengapa saya cakap 12 per 2? Because the total length here is 12 meter. Kamu tambah ni bahagi 2 kat tengah-tengah 6 meter. 6, 6. Sama jarak. Can understand that? So now this is like the height of the hall now, somewhere here. So you want to see is this height actually can reach or not, the 50 meter. That is what we want to see now. So we want to count that height now. This is what the question wants. Okay. So we see down here. Where is it? Okay. So x plus p is 0. Axis of symmetry saya bagi tahu tadi kan, boleh ganti nilai x kat dalam x kat sini untuk cari p kita. So kita dah dapat p is negative 6. So sekarang kat titik E kamu dah dapat 432 kan. Ingat kamu kena guna persamaan vertex tau. You cannot use the equation in the question. Hx is negative x square plus 10x. Kamu tak boleh guna persamaan ni. Sebab persamaan ini untuk lengkung yang ni. This curve. Negative x square plus 10x is this curve. Sekarang kita cari curve yang lain. Yang lebih jarak ni. Oh, I missed. Okay, wait. I go back. Okay, wait. The 12 over 2 part. Okay, this one. We want to find the axis of symmetry, right? Because from the axis of symmetry, baru kita boleh tentukan titik maksimum tu apa, kan? So x is 12 over 2 because AB is 12 over 2. I mean 12 meter. So kamu akan dapat persamaan paksi simetri x equals 6. Can understand that? Means divide by half. Bahagi dengan 2 jarak dia. Okay, good. So x is 6 meter. So x equals 6 meter. Kamu boleh gantikan dalam x kat sini. Sebab ini juga dalam bentuk vertex, kamu kena ingat. Ini bentuk vertex asal kamu dalam soalan. Soalan tulis macam ni kan. The question write like this to you at the start. So that's why saya gantikan x is 6 dalam x kat sini. Yeah, it's for the maximum height. Yes, correct. So you will get p is negative 6. So kita nak cari p dan q ini. Because we don't have the values, you know. Kita tak cari sebelum ni nilai p dan q tu nilai apa dia. So sekarang kita nak cari. Okay. So baru kita boleh gantikan x dengan fx untuk cari ketinggian maksimum dia. Okay. So at point E, kamu dah ada satu titik dah. 432. So you can substitute 4 inside x here and substitute 32 into fx over here. You can gantikan. So boleh faham penggantian ini? Can you understand the substitution? Okay, can. Sekarang kita buat macam persamaan serentak tau. Okay. So, kamu boleh kembangkan negatif 2 square jadi 4. Okay. So, kamu boleh express Q is 32 minus 4A. So, can understand until here, this step? Q equals 32. 4A saya pindah kat sini jadi negatif. Okay, good. So, jangan lupa juga. You also have a coordinate here. Point A tu 0, 0. Itu adalah asalan, origin of the graph. If you see over here, you can see this. Can you see? A is at the bottom, the starting point, titik permulaan. That's why we give it 0, 0. Can you understand why it's 0, 0? Boleh faham? Yeah, asalan, betul. Correct. When you're drawing graph, that's the asalan. Okay, so you see down here, over here. Okay, so 0 equals A kita tak tahu, so tinggal saja. 0 minus 6. 6 tu datang dari mana? Boleh bagi tahu tak? Negative 6 tu. Where does it come from suddenly? Yes, very good. Semua PK. Very good. Negative 6. Correct. From the axis of symmetry. Plus Q. Q kita tak tahu lagi. We don't know yet. So this one kamu boleh expand jadi 36A plus Q. And Q kamu boleh sedar ke atas kamu dah bentuk satu persamaan. You already form an equation already here. So you can use simultaneous equation. So what method is this? When I put this one inside here, kaedah apa dalam persamaan serentak? What method in the simultaneous equation we use? Very good, penggantian, correct. So 32 minus 4a, so you will get like this. 32a, so you expand, plus 32 minus 4a. So 36a minus 4a dapat 32a plus 32. Okay, and you will get a is negative 1. Kamu boleh calculate, you will get a is negative 1. So you already get one value. Sekarang kamu sub balik pula. To any of the equation you can substitute. You will get Q is 36. So I choose this equation lah. So I'll get Q is 36. So sekarang boleh bagi tahu tak? AX plus P square tambah Q. What does Q represent here? Apa yang diwakili oleh Q dalam bentuk vertex? Y, max point. Okay, very good. So sekarang you got 36 meters. So can I ask, does the ball reach the height of the hall? Boleh capai bumbung tak? Can it reach the roof? No, very good. Because 36 is less than 50 as stated in the question. So kamu dah buktikan. Because 36 meter less than 50 meter, the ball cannot reach the roof of the hall. So boleh faham? Can you all understand this question? Quite long. Sangat panjang. X equals 6 and D. 12 over 2. You get 6. Jarak AD tu 12 meter. So tengah-tengah dia 6 meter. Okay, so good. So now I tell the marks where you can get. Wait. Okay, so first of all, I see first. Okay, so kalau saya nak tanya kamu pula, kamu rasa markah pertama dapat kat mana? No, I mean the meaning. Which meaning? Meaning of axis of symmetry, yeah. Oh, midpoint. You can think of axis of symmetry as a midpoint, titik tengah dalam BM. Konsep macam titik tengah, like in your coordinate geometry. Bab geometry coordinate tingkatan 4. Titik tengah. That is axis of symmetry. Yep. That's how you calculate. Titik tengah, your formula is like this, right? x1 plus x2 over 2. This is what I did just now to get the axis of symmetry. 0 plus 12 over 2. Boleh tengok link dia tak? Sama saja. Remember this formula? x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. This is the formula lah. So this is how we do it. Okay, so sekarang saya tunjukkan mana dapat markah. Okay, so if you want to mark your own answer, kamu rasa markah pertama tu datang dari mana? Where does the first mark come from? Total got 3 marks. Which line is your first mark? Like line 1, kamu boleh cakap baris 1, baris 2 macam tu. Kat mana? Very good. Jason, first answer, first attempt betul. Why you get this mark? Because kamu tahu macam mana kamu nak buat penyempurnaan kuasa 2. This is the fact. You know how to do completing the square method. Plus b over 2 square minus b over 2 square. Very good. Okay, so second mark. Second mark, ya obvious tadi lah. Ada 3 markah. So mark kedua kamu dapat kat sini. Dan final answer correct, 1 mark. Okay, so 3 marks here. Total for you, 3 markah. Okay, so part B dia senang. Kalau kamu boleh state 25 meter, satu markah saja. Betul dah. Okay, so for part C. Part C ni lebih complicated. Okay, never mind. I show you for this one. Wait I delete all this. Okay, so if you can get P is -6, kamu boleh dapat satu markah kat sini. You will get 1 mark if you can get P is -6. And then if you can substitute correctly over here, this step, kamu dapat juga satu markah. Maksudnya you know that there's also one more point that you can substitute. Kamu tahu ada satu titik lagi iaitu asalan, 00. Kalau kamu substitute dengan betul, kamu dapat markah juga. Okay, so 1 mark there also. And then kalau kamu cari nilai Q yang betul, if you get the correct Q value, 1 more mark for you over here. And then if you say cannot reach, you also get 1 more mark. So 4 mark. Okay, so this question habis. 1 question already, moderate. So until here semua okay? Still good? Sebelum kita pergi soalan lebih susah. Still survive. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, let's go. Next question. I think a lot seen this question before. People also ask me this one. Pernah nampak tak soalan ni? If you see tunnel itself, I rasa semua dah tengok soalan ni sebelum ni. Have you all seen this question? Pernah nampak tak? No Wow. Oh, no okay. Never mind, saya tunjuk kat kamu semua. Okay, so this is actually SBP paper trials 2022. Okay, so quite a tough question also, but not that tough lah. Okay, so we try to understand together. Express the axis of symmetry. So ini soalan pertama kat kamu. So can you tell me straight the answer? What is the equation? Apa persamaan bagi paksi simetri kamu? Based on all the measurements over here. You can tell directly. Tak perlu equation dia pun. You don't need to have the quadratic equation. What is the equation for axis of symmetry? Yeah. Final answer. Jawapan akhir. Yes, very good, Kenneth. Very good, Sugan. Correct. 6x equals 3. So how you get is 6 divided by 2. Half. So you get 3 meter. You have to realize, you have your y-axis and x-axis here. Mereka dah lukis siap-siap bagi kamu. So you don't have to determine where is the y-axis and x-axis. Kamu tak perlu nak tentukan kat mana kedudukan dia. So they already gave you. Okay. So x equals 3. So you answered the first question already. Okay, so sekarang mereka pula nak kamu bentukkan persamaan kuadratik. Selalu soalan beri kat kamu persamaan kuadratik. Now they want you to form back the quadratic. That's why it's hard lah, this question. Okay, so let me see how to do this. Okay, let me see. Okay, so first of all, let me think. Saya nak tanya apa soalan. Okay, so vertex form is like this, right? Semua tahu kan bentuk vertex macam ni. Okay, so this is how you should expect your answer. Kamu kena expect answer kamu dalam bentuk ni dengan ada nilai A, P dan Q dah siap. So kamu kena cari A, P dan Q sekarang. Okay, so nilai P kamu boleh tentukan dah. Because kamu dah nyatakan tadi, you already stated that X equals 3. So yeah, X plus P. So can you tell me your P value? Apa nilai P kamu sekarang? If X equals 3. Very good. Kamu tak confused dah. Maksud dia, persamaan kamu macam ni sekarang. You already updated your equation. Ax minus 3 square plus Q. Macam ni. So, sekarang kamu nak tahu Q dan A. Okay, so refer balik diagram dia. Can you tell me what will be your Q value? Kamu boleh lihat terus dari soalan. Yeah, 3 plus P is 0, correct. 2, very good, correct. Yeah, betul. So that's why you get your answer. Q is 2. So A, X minus 3 square plus 2. Dari diagram terus. Tak perlu kira pun. Okay, so now A ini kamu perlu kira. So can I ask, how can you find your A value now? Macam mana nak cari nilai A? What must you have? Q is the max height. Yes, correct, Andy. In this format, Q is the maximum height. Sometimes they won't use the letter Q. Mereka boleh berubah huruf. Asalkan bentuk, kalau kamu lihat kat akhir ni tambah apa-apa huruf, it's the maximum height. Okay, so don't fix your mind Q saja maximum height. Boleh jadi apa-apa alphabet. Okay, so how to find A? Macam mana nak cari A sekarang? Apa kamu kena ada? Yes, A is less than 0, correct. Do we have to use 0, 0? Let me think. Yes, good suggestion, correct. Can be accepted. Betul. Can anyone tell me another coordinate? How can we find A? 0, 0 is correct. Ada satu lagi coordinate kamu boleh guna. Anyone notice or not? Dari diagram. Yes, Kenneth, perfect. Maximum point, titik maximum. This is 3. This is 2. Maksud coordinate maximum kamu 3, 2. Kamu boleh gantikan juga dalam persamaan. So, kamu boleh lihat kat sini. Saya tak solve lagi, namanya. Saya solve untuk kamu. Okay, so sekarang ini equation kan? So, when x equals 0, fx juga kosong kan? Fx juga kosong, betul. So, 0 equals A, 0 minus 3 square tambah 2. Boleh faham tak penggantian dia macam mana? Maksud setiap x kamu ganti dengan kosong, fx juga kosong. Because it's the asalan, origin. Origin is kosong kosong. Okay? So now kamu boleh cari A dah. So 0 equals A negatif 3 kuasa 2 tambah 2. So 0 is 9A plus 2. So macam mana cari A? Kamu pindah 2 kat sebelah kiri. Negatif 2 sama dengan 9A. Only the mid coordinate and the beginning lah can be used. Yeah, only 2 options. No other coordinate available. Wait, let me check again. This one, you can use this also. 6 kosong. It's another punca. Ini juga punca persamaan kuadratik. 6 kosong juga boleh guna. You will get the same answer. 3 coordinates. 3 possibility. So don't miss out that point also. You got many options in this question. Okay, so kalau kamu pindah, kamu akan dapat A is negative 2 over 9. So logic tak? A is negative 2 over 9. Is it logic that the A value is negative 2 over 9? Yes, correct. Because A must be less than 0. Tunnel dia macam ni, bentuk masam. So A less than 0. Which part, Kenneth? From which line? Is it up there or what? To find the A. Means from here lah. When x is 0, fx is 0. So ini coordinate kamu kat asalan. So kamu boleh gantikan fx sama dengan kosong dan x sama dengan kosong to the equation here. So as long the coordinate are given, then all of it. Yes, mana-mana koordinat yang terletak pada persamaan kuadratik itu boleh guna. Any coordinates located on the quadratic function can be substituted inside the equation. As long as it's on the curve, boleh guna dah. No need to worry. Because the value will still get the same. Jawapan masih sama. Okay, so for Kenneth, let me see. Okay, so this part can understand. We substitute 0, 0 inside here. Boleh faham tak? Okay, good. So 0 equals A negative 3 square. 0 minus 3 negative 3 is square. You will get 9A. 9A plus 2. And then from here, you can already find the A. A is negative 2 over 9. So can understand now how we get the A? Boleh faham? Yes, very good. Good. Okay, so now write in the vertex form. Kamu kena tulis balik. Very good. So, okay, welcome. Fx is negative 2 over 9. X minus 3 square tambah 2. Ini jawapan akhir kamu. Okay, so yeah, ini jawapan. So dah solve dah soalan A. Soalan B ni lebih mencabar sikit. A bit only, not that tough. Sebab dia nak faham situasi gate ni. They want you to understand the gate. Dah, saya kena padam ni. Baru kamu boleh lihat. Okay. So now, sekarang pihak perbandaran macam Majlis Bandaraya Pulau Pinang, MBPP kat sini, okay? So mereka nak install 2 lights, 2 lampu kat C1 dan C2. Okay, kamu boleh nampak titik ni. Titik ni atas persamaan lengkung, tahu. The points are actually on the curve, quadratic curve. Okay, so ini situasi dia. So they say, this one important. PC1 equal C1, C2 equal C2Q. Jangan takut mereka kata macam ni. Semua titik kat sini. Maksud dia, sini sama, sini pun sama, sini pun sama. So boleh bagi tahu saya tak? PC1, berapa jarak dia sekarang? PC1. What is the length of PC1? No. Bukan 3. Careless kot. Very good, Jason. Correct. 2 meters. Now all change jadi. Semua tukar jawapan. Yeah, very good. Because you have 3x. Let's say ini x, x, x. X, x, x pula. 3x is 6. X is 2. Ini jawapan dia. So that's how you get 2, 2, 2. Okay. So this is why they say it's same. So that you know the distance. Okay. So sekarang, mereka nak cari height of lamp from the ground. Okay. So height of lamp from the ground. Height ni mewakili X atau Y? Wait. Andy, what you don't understand? Yes, very good, Sugan. Y. X is 2. I thought, kamu tak boleh cari Y tanpa tahu X kamu tu apa. Because this point here is not the axis of symmetry. Axis of symmetry, X is 3 over here. This is 4. This is 2. Each length is 2, 2 like this. Here is 6. That's how it's going. If you have your X equals 2, baru you can find this point and this point. That's why they give you the info PC1 equals all that. Which part? Wait, explain again. Okay, so now I think I zoom in. This one is quite blur because it's black. I think now better. Slightly better for you. Okay, so they said PC1 is equal to C1, C2 equal C2Q. Can you understand this? Saya buat 2 garis macam tu untuk menunjukkan sama panjang. I use the 2 lines to show it's the same length. Can you understand this, Andy? Yes, I know Jason understand. I focus on Andy now. Yes, correct. P to Q. Ini panjang, 6 meter. Soalan dah beri. The question I did give you a 6 meter. So now you have to find what is the length of PC1. So can you tell what's the length of PC1? Apa jarak antara PC1? Kalau semua jarak dia sama. Yes, that's what Sugan said. 6 over 3. Because 3 bahagian sama panjang. So akan jadi macam ni. This one here is 2 meter. This one over here. This one 2 meter on top here, right? Here also 2 meters. So 2 plus 2, here is 4. Can understand now? And then here they already label here 6. And here is the axis of symmetry. Sini persamaan paksi symmetry x equals 3. Yeah, correct. That's why 2, 2, 2. To make up 6 meter. 6 bahagi 3, 2. Can understand now? I think you can already. So I proceed and tell about the other parts also. Okay, so sekarang, now you have your vertex form, right? Kamu dah cari. I zoom out first. Oh, no wonder. No. Question already told here. See here? PC1 equals C1, C2 equals C2Q. A bit confusing lah. Soalan ni buat simbol-simbol macam ni agak confusing untuk semua, I know. Okay, never mind. So just now you have the curve equation. Ini persamaan lengkung kamu. Ini jawapan kamu bagi A. This is your A answer. Plus 2. Okay, so sekarang kalau kamu lihat balik this curve over here. This is 2. This is 4. Q got Q No Q. The startup. Oh, Q, the hidden. It's hidden over here, sorry. There. Yang hujung. P to Q is 6 meter. 2 and 4 like this. Okay. So sekarang, now they want you to find the height of this lamp. Maksudnya dari sini ke sini. Apa tinggi dia. So what can I do now? Semua tak nampak semua huruf. Okay. Never mind. So now what do we do? Macam mana kita nak cari tinggi sekarang? How do we find? Sekarang tinggi diwakili oleh fx atau x? Is the height represented by fx or x? Very good, fx. Sekarang kamu sedar tak? You already have x equals 2. The point connecting to the light P and Q. The light C1 dan C2. X equals 2. So sekarang boleh buat method apa kat sini? Kamu dah ada x equals 2. Sekarang nak cari fx. So apa kita buat? You have fx, you have x. You want to find fx when you have x already. So what method do we use? Yes, very good, Sugan. Substitute. Any point saya dah kata tadi. Apa-apa koordinat dalam persamaan lengkung tu kita gantikan saja dalam persamaan. Because this point is on the curve also. C1. That's why kita boleh gantikan 2 untuk cari nilai fx yang sepadan. Yeah, I think the question scared you more than the actual method. Soalan tu menakutkan kamu daripada method sebenar dia. Yeah, so that's it. If you gantikan fx, f2 equals, you already get the answer. That's the answer. 4 marks, you know. Not that hard actually. If you know the concept, tak susah pun soalan ni. So you will get your final answer. You can tekan calculator, kamu akan dapat this one over here. Sorry, this is minus, not plus. Okay, I don't want to give you the answer first. Wait. A lot of people miss this thing. Did you see this? Ramai student akan bagi dalam pecahan tak wajar. Jawapan salah. Sebab soalan ada satu lagi request. The question has another request for you. Mixed number. Nombor bercampur. Do you all know or not what is nombor bercampur? How to write nombor bercampur? Like this. A, B over C. Macam tu. No, not perpuluhan. Nombor bercampur is another form of writing. Satu lagi kaedah untuk menulis pecahan. A, B over C, like that. Yeah. But wait first. Not yet. 17 over 9, not your final answer. Be careful. Find the height of the lamp from the ground, you know. You look here carefully. Wait, anyone notice this 1.5 over here? No. Not 16 4 over 9. It is, wait, let me think. 16 over 9. Do you notice this 1.5 meter or not? Mereka nak cari dari ground tau, dari tanah. This one is 16 over 9. But this one you still have another 1.5. So apa kamu kena buat? 3.5 ya. Bukan tolak. Why tolak? Yes, Kenneth, very good. 16 over 9 plus 1 over 5. Tambah. Mereka nak cari seluruh ni. Mereka tak mau yang ni saja. Mereka nak cari height of the lamp from the ground. Seluruh. Ketinggian lampu tu dari tanah. From the ground. Not just until here only. You have to go 1.5 meter down here also. So banyak trik soalan ni sebenarnya untuk mengelakkan kamu dapat markah. So just now is 16/9, right? So tambah 1.5, you will get your final answer 35/18. Mesti tulis dalam bentuk ni tau. If you give dalam bentuk pecahan tak wajar, mungkin tak diterima. Won't be accepted for improper fraction. Must be in mixed number. Okay, so boleh faham soalan ni? This is the moderate question. Kita dah habis 2 soalan sederhana. Still survive, my warriors? Come on, come on. We're going to the hard one now. Hard, I'll say. Y plus. Wait, I show here. This one here. Kamu dah dapat yang ni 16/9 meter, right? This is 16/9. They want to find this whole height. Mereka nak cari jarak lampu dari tanah. Don't worry, Andy. Wow, I like your motivation. That's why we plus 1/5. This one plus this one. We don't only take this height over here. We want plus the bottom also. The 2 meter is actually not the real height, if you notice. If you calculate 16/9, let's say you press your calculator, 16/9, you get 1.78. Because you must understand one thing. I zoom in. Just now I saw some people wrote 2 plus 1/5. Let me tell you why not. 2 is actually this one, Hey, why not straight? Okay, 2. This is 2. But the lamp is here, It's slightly shorter. Sedikit pendek. Bukan 2. That's why it's 16/9. Sama macam sini pun. This is also 16/9. So that is why you cannot plus 2. Okay, understand now? That's why saya dapat 16/9. 2 ini titik maksimum. Yang ni bukan titik maksimum. Kat tepi saja. So, can understand this question? X tak sampai ujung lengkung lagi. Correct. Okay, good. Semua bagus. Okay, so, why you come blank? There got nice diagram for you. Hard. Come, we go to the hard question. Jom. Oh, this one. Let me see which one I want to tell first. Let me think. Never mind, we go this one first. Come, we do this one. This one. Pernah ingat tak? We already derived this quadratic formula earlier. We did this already, right? Remember? Last class, kita derive sama-sama. Kita buktikan soalan susah ni. You all still remember? We derived the quadratic formula last week. Exactly last week. Hey, don't remember. Oh my God, I scared lah. Remember we did this page? Saya tunjuk satu per satu. If I show this page, you all remember. We already did it last week. So if anyone tak sempat tengok, can we watch the recording for this one? Saya terangkan sangat slow. Yeah, I did very slow this one. You can find YouTube channel. Okay, siapa-siapa sini don't know my YouTube channel. Actually, since the news came out, right, my subscriber increased a lot. Bila semua tahu saya fan Blackpink, YouTube subscriber increase banyak kat YouTube. This is my channel. Increase a lot, just because of the news. So this is the way to get viral lah. Yeah, Sugan actually said it correctly. Actually, both lah. I will say both. Combination of both. Both is a good combination. Baru boleh jadi viral. Salah satu mungkin tak jadi viral. That's why. Yeah, unique. Come, focus. Don't talk about all this. Later, I scared you don't know how to do this. Hope so lah. Maybe get free ticket or what. Okay, come. This question B now. Same state, Selangor, I think. Okay, by using quadratic formula derive. Kita dah derive tadi. So, dengan menggunakan quadratic formula 2. Mereka nak kamu determine the roots of this equation. Biasa kan kamu guna formula kuadratik untuk cari persamaan, cari punca bagi persamaan kuadratik. You all familiar, right? We use quadratic formula. Kalau kamu tak boleh faktorkan macam ni, in mathematics modern you buat macam ni kan, boleh terus cari nilai X, but now no. This is at maths, so that's why kita lebih kompleks lah. So kita guna rumus kuadratik. Okay, so kita tak buat method ni dah. We don't use this method anymore. Yeah, we more advanced. Kita lebih modern. Kita guna rumus. Okay, so this one. Okay, so first of all, saya nak tanya, why do they give this imaginary number, nombor khayalan? Why does the question give this? Can anyone tell? What is the meaning? Why do they give this info to you? Setiap kali soalan bagi info tentu ada sebab kan. There is a reason why the question give you this info. So what's the reason? If anyone tell this, I'm very impressed lah. Tough question. Nope, not point something to make the integer positive. I think I can get a bit what you're meaning, but not hit the point. Half. Never reach the full meaning yet, but Keda is very close already. Do you all learn this thing? I want to ask you. B square minus 4AC. Have you seen this? Okay. So dari persamaan ini, boleh tak kamu kira nilai B square minus 4AC is what? We count together. Can you tell me what is the value? What value do you get? Do you get positive? Do you get 0? Do you get negative? Ini bukan langkah dia, tapi I want to give you the concept. That's very good, accurate, negative 144. So less than 0, right? Kalau B square minus 4AC lebih kecil dari kosong, apa maksud dia? Apa jenis punca? What is the type of roots for this kind of equation? Not negative roots, not exactly. No real roots, correct, Canon. Keyword, very good. Tak ada punca nyata, no real roots. If not real, means imaginary lah. Imaginary root. That's why they gave you this info here. I is square root negative 1. That's the reason the question give you this. There's always a reason. So that's why mereka bagi nombor khayalan. So kita kena guna nombor ni. Which part you don't understand now, Andy? Saya ada soalan kat belakang. Kita boleh praktis yang ni 2-3 kali. Equation berbeza. Ya, macam tidak tertakwif. You can think like that. Good. Maksud dia curve macam ni. Kamu boleh imagine. This is your axis. Like this. X, Y. Wait, I draw for you the curve. You'll understand. If like this. Okay, saya pergi slow. B square minus 4AC equal more than or less than? Sama dengan lebih besar atau lebih kecil dengan kosong? Less. Wrong. Not less. Satu titik saja. Equal. Very good. Menyentuh satu titik. Tangent. That's the keyword. Yeah, equal 0. Okay, next situation. Sekarang saya bagi konsep kat kamu. Let's say the curve like this. More than, less than, or equal to? More than, very good, correct. Dua punca nyata, you can see over here. Two real roots. Okay, so third situation, ada 3 condition saja. Sorry. Is it this one? This one. Okay, let's say the equation is like this. Like this. Less than, equal, or not, or more than? Yes, correct, less than. So can you see? No root. If you type this out in your calculator, can you type this equation in your calculator? You'll see what you get. Let's see. Yeah, you type out 9, negative 6, 5. Boleh tengok tak? Dapat nilai sama, 0.333, x1, x2. And you see the arrow down and up kat calculator. And mereka tulis R something arrow 1. Maksud dia tak ada punca yang nyata lah. Itu maksud dia sekarang. Okay, so now can understand, Andy? Better now? After I show you the 3 condition. Yeah, you said no roots already, means you understand. Yeah, good. Okay, so now we solve the question together, okay? This soalan memang kesian kepada mereka yang keluar tahun tu, Selangor. Very hard question. Tapi I rasa, soalan 15 boleh pilih. So if you don't want to do this question, it's alright. Sebab ini paper 1 soalan 15. So pilihan kamu. Baguslah, examiner. Baik hati sangat. Very kind to all the calon. Soalan ni memang susah. Okay, come, let's do the question together. Okay, quadratic formula. You can copy back. Kamu boleh salin balik. This is your quadratic formula. Yang kamu buktikan tadi di A. Okay, so I salin this back. Okay, so now we play game. What is your A value over here? Apakah nilai A? Yeah, I understand also. Because you cannot picture it. Very good. 9, correct everyone. B value? Very good. -6. C value? Very good. 5. Okay, no one make careless mistake kat sini. Okay, so now we gantikan, okay? So X equals, just now B is what? -6. Yeah, -6. So make sure bubuh bracket. -6. Jangan bubuh tanpa bracket tu. Square root -6 square minus 4A is what? A is, kan mana A? 9. What is your C? 5. Per 2 -6. Where A is not -6? Oh my god. A is 9. Okay. So sekarang kamu akan nampak sesuatu berlaku. Ya, maths error. Wait. Cuba tekan yang ni dalam kalkulator. Kamu dapat apa nilai dia? Yang cert tu. Square root negatif kan? Kamu tak boleh square root nilai yang negatif. That's the fact in maths. Kamu tak boleh punca kuasa 2 kan nilai negatif. Kamu dapat macam ni. 6 negatif tolak jadi positif. So this one square root -144. Banyak tak nampak macam ni. How do you know it's no root? Is it because it's not because it's not written in 0? How to explain this? It's because b square minus 4ac for this particular equation is less than 0. Means it has no roots. Tak ada punca yang nyata. It is based on the equation. Untuk determine whether it has real roots or imaginary roots, you have to use the b square minus 4ac to determine it. Because the curve tu tergantung kat atas macam ni. The curve is hanging. You must understand. It doesn't touch the y-axis, you know. Maksud tak ada nilai y equals 0. Tergantung kat tengah-tengah. You don't have any coordinates here. Even if you want to plot down, it will come like this. Something like this. So you can't exactly find the value. That's why kita bubuh imaginary. We don't have an accurate root to substitute inside. Better now. And also kamu tak boleh square root negative value. Kamu tak boleh punca kuasa 2 kan nilai yang negatif. You won't get any answer, maths ever. It means no accurate root. Basically, it can be called, yes, correct. You can think like that. Means we cannot assume the value if it's not accurate. Kami tak boleh buat andaian. Okay? So now we see this one over here. So like this now is your condition over here. So sekarang ini konsep datang dari bab 4 tingkatan 4. Pernah lihat tak? Cert. You all studied Search. Ini sebab soalan bagi tahu I equals square root negative 1. Belum Jason form 4. For form 5 students. Vortex King study, Andy study already. Search sakit. Now you need to know the knowledge, okay? Sekarang kamu kena tahu. Sebab, right, you don't know, you cannot solve this now. Kamu tak boleh selesaikan ni sebab keluar maths error. You're not going to write like this, right? Kamu tak akan tulis macam ni dalam exam kamu. Anyone want to write like this? 6 plus minus maths error. Siapa berani buat ni tak dalam kertas exam? Cikgu bagi penampak terus. That's why kita ada I square root negative 1. Kita tak mau tulis macam tu. Okay. So, ini cert dia. Okay. Sekarang, cert negative 144. No need to times. Apa kombinasi cert yang boleh bagi kamu negative 144? Cuba fikir. Dalam cert kamu boleh pisahkan kat dua bentuk cert. You can separate one cert to two separate certs. 18 times 12. Bukan? Ingat mereka dah bagi I sama dengan negative 1 tau. They already gave you I is negative 1. No, not 12 times negative 12. Kena guna nilai ni tau. You have to use this value. Then only you can solve. Pernah fikir tak kombinasi ni? Correct, right? Cert 144 times cert negative 1, kamu masih kalau darab dapat negative 144 balik. Law cert kamu, your cert's law. Can you understand this? Kamu boleh cuba dalam calculator juga. Let's say saya buat cert 8 darab cert 5. Kita buat random, okay? Kamu dapat 6.32. Kalau kamu buat cert 40, kamu juga dapat 4.32. Maksud dia, general form, general form for cert. Where do I write this? Banyak conteng. Okay, general form. Cert A times cert B is equal to cert AB. I rasa cikgu pernah bagi tahu sebelum ni. Your school teacher, if you learn, they would have told you this general form. This is the concept where it comes from kat bawah ni. That's why saya boleh pisahkan dia macam ni. So sekarang faham tak mengapa cert negative 144 saya buat macam ni? Because I also have this value. Now you understand the question already. Okay, so this is how you apply cert to your quadratic chapter juga. Kamu aplikasikan pengetahuan kamu. Okay, so now we proceed with this step. See how we solve. Same type only. So 6 tambah tolak. You confused me there. I thought, oh, I see. Sorry. My mistake also. Okay, so you will get like this. Macam saya tunjuk tadi. Okay, understand until here? Wah, dah tak ada space dah. Understand how saya pisahkan macam ni? All can follow until here. Okay, so cuba tekan cert 144 dapat apa? What do you get? Nombor familiar kan? Punca kuasa 2, 144. Boleh dapat nombor bulat. Yes, correct. 12 over 18. Okay, sekarang saya nak tanya. Cert negative 1 ni nak buat apa? Yeah, you have to practice this type of question. Cert negative 1 saya nak teruskan dengan apa sekarang? What do I continue with? Negative 12 No, we don't do that. Soalan dah bagi tahu tadi tahu. Did you see here? Very good. Tukar kepada I. Bagus. Kamu boleh tulis macam ni dalam exam. Change it to I. Because mereka dah bagi tahu I equals square root negative 1. Kamu gantikan saja kat sini. That's why saya pisahkan lebih awal. Supaya saya boleh buat penggantian macam ni. So now you understand why I separate the cert earlier. Ini langkah untuk soalan macam ni. So that you can separate like this. And then what will be your final answers? Siapa-siapa boleh bagi tahu tak? Berapa kebarangkalian jawapan kamu boleh ada kat sini? How many possibilities? Very good, correct. So can you tell me the values? Kamu tak akan dapat jawapan dalam perpuluhan because you have an I here. Tak ada jawapan sebenar. We don't have the exact value. I rasa susah nak type juga tak apa. Well, very good lah. 6 minus 12, 5 or 18. Yeah, very good, correct. So, yang atas dan bawah saya rasa kamu boleh faktorkan juga. 6 plus 12, 5, you can factorize like this. 6, 1 plus 2i. Macam ni. And then over 18. So, kamu boleh potong yang 6 dengan yang 18. 1 over 3. Give it in the simplest form. Berikan dalam bentuk termudah. That's the best way. Okay, so ini jawapan soalan ni. So all okay ya. Dah solve dah soalan ni. Yeah. All okay, good. Still coping? Yeah, good. Wait Yeah. Come, we practice one more. Last one. Soalan sama saja. I want you to apply the same concept. I usually miss that part. Now is your chance. Now you apply back. Same question. Is this the same question? Let me see again. Not the same question. No. Okay, different equation. Sekarang kita cuba konsep sama saja, tapi equation dia berlainan. A equals 5, B equals negative 6, C equals 9. Okay, boleh bagi tahu tak? B square minus 4AC, what is your value? Sama juga. I want to go to another question. Never mind. We do this one. Baru equation nampak berlainan sikit. Tak apa, kita abaikan tu sebab macam sama saja. Okay. A is 1, B is negative 4, C is 5. Soalan sama jenis saja. Same type. Okay, so try calculating B square minus 4AC. What do you get? Kamu dapat apa kat sini? Beri soalan berlainan sikit. Yes, correct, no root. Because kamu dapat negatif 4, lebih kecil dari kosong. Maksud tak ada punca yang nyata. Imaginary number again. Okay, so now we solve. Let's see if you can get the same concept or not. Because now it's the different number. Nombor berlainan sekarang. Okay, so this is your equation. Quadratic formula again. Jangan risau yang ni diberi. Okay. So, kamu boleh gantikan kat sini. B nilai dia is negative 4. Okay. So, make sure substitute dengan betul. Tahu, jangan salah kat sini sebab rugi sangat. Because this is careless mistake only. Okay, so sampai part ni boleh faham macam mana saya gantikan satu per satu? Okay, good, very good. So now comes the crucial step for everyone. Step yang paling penting. Okay, so yang negatif jadi positif. Okay, this one just now kita calculate square root negatif 4. Yang ni 2. Okay, sekarang apa kombinasi yang boleh bagi set negatif 4? Apa dah apa? Very good. Semua dah faham dah. Tengok. Satu kali saja saya bagi tahu. Semua dah faham dah. Means you all know actually. You're very good. You're smart actually. Jangan pandang rendah terhadap diri kamu. Means you know how to grasp the concept fast. Okay. So that's why I say latihan tu penting. You see, one time I do, second time kamu dah faham dah. Kalau kamu buat macam ni sampai SPM, you think how good you'll come. That's why saya dapat A+. Because this is the method I use. Kena berulang. Okay. So, square root 4 dapat 2. Set negative 1, I. Yeah, as long as you keep study. I'm sure you'll make it. Semua boleh. Jangan risau. Okay. So, plus minus 2I over 2. So, jawapan akhir kamu, you will get 4 plus 2I over 2. Atau Yeah, simplify. Thanks for reminding. 2i over 2. So, apa yang kamu akan faktorkan keluar? What number will you factorize? Oh, thanks. So sweet. 2, yeah. 2 plus I over 2. Okay, so apa saya boleh buat? Kat atas ada 2, bawah ada 2. What can I do? Potong, very good. So your final answer is 2 plus I, 2 minus I. Bagus. Give a clap to yourself. Kamu cuba soalan yang paling susah hari ini. I also give a clap for y'all. Kamu memang terbaik. You are the best. Because kamu berani nak cuba soalan yang paling susah. Ya, boleh. Respect. Saya respect kamu sebab kamu berani cuba soalan yang paling susah dalam maths. Respect. So, ya, dah habis dah. Wait. Alah, not the best lah. Maybe I am among the best, but not the best. Yes. Ya, yang ni saya dah bagi tahu. Nevermind. So yang ni channel saya. Kalau siapa-siapa belum share lagi, boleh share kat kawan-kawan. Sekarang dah rasa, let me think how many already. I think 260 plus subscriber dah sekarang. So yeah. Ini foto lama. Ya, nak capai 300 dah. So tolong saya share sikit lagi. Boleh capai 300 dalam masa beberapa hari. So yeah. So okay, so now you can see chat. So, siapa nak buka kamera, kita boleh ambil gambar sekarang. I rasa seorang saja, Jason akan buka. Jom. Getting ready. So, yang lain boleh bagi feedback, okay? Macam mana kelas hari ini, boleh komen kat ruang komen kalau faham, lebih faham tentang bab kuadratik. Wah, Andy pun nak buka. Wow. Jason dah join dah. Who are you actually, Keda? I can't recall your name. Are you using a different account or something? I might know you, but your name here like different. Wait, Jason, we wait for the rest also. Sabar. Wah. Let others get ready also. Oh, Kristina. Kristina siapa? Ada banyak Kristina tahu. New student, Kristina. You are in my group ah? Kamu ada dalam group saya. And maths main group. Oh, I want to see Andy first time. Saya tak nampak lah. Slightly clear. Ah, now I see. Wah. First time I see lah. Nice meeting you. Baguslah kamu. Yeah. Hey, open back. I didn't take picture yet. Andy, open back. Now only I'm going to take. Wait ah. Ayo, mengapa lah timer start ah? Oh, Adlia Melissa. No. Oh, you're in the group. Okay. Okay, dah ambil. Thank you semua. So, siapa-siapa nak chat, boleh chat skip dulu. Anyone want to chat? You can share your problems with me, anything. Saya stop recording dulu. Any problems you have?